What have you learnt about technologies from the process of constructing this product? I have learnt to use many different technologies to get the magazine which I desire today. There are many different technologies which I have used, however I am going to talk about Photoshop and InDesign. Photoshop. This particular program helped me construct front cover and some of text/images for the other pages in the magazine. Through Photoshop, I developed the use of using shapes and image manipulation to create a pastiche about the magazine which I was creating. I used image manipulation to show the main cover image as a better quality image. I used a Canon DSLR camera to take the main cover images, however I used the manipulation through Photoshop to take away any blemishes, wrinkles and even whitening the man who is in the image's teeth. I basically had to use images in which one was blurred and the one on top wasn't, so if I did find a wrinkle or anything else, I would use the eraser to take it off the top image so it would be clear, however it would enhance the image quality. The image itself was cut out from an original background by using the lasso tool, to which I replaced the back with just a white background. I used other images such as on air image shown in the double page spread, as it had a background which I wanted to get rid of. I basically erased the entire back by highlighting and cutting it, which made the process a lot easier to do when coming around to do it. InDesign. I used InDesign to create my contents advertising page and double page spread, so it was the most prominent one out of the two programs I used. Because the program is simple to use, I didn't learn as much as I did from Photoshop. However, the work which I have done is a representation of pastiche, and I shall discuss this now. The contents page is something which I took from a Kerrang magazine as a pastiche. I also used aspects of Q magazine with the lettering and the size of the font I wanted to use. To find the actual font itself, the process which I did was basically typing to find similar to what I wanted the band, such as the Jam, which they had. After finding this font in InDesign, Blipper Light, I then used it for the majority of the magazine. Importing images to an InDesign was also a simple task, and it didn't take much effort and time after it was explained and how to do it as shown here.